My name is Chris. I am a principal content strategist. I work in the healthcare industry and I give Sketch a 4 out of 5. Other products that I considered before moving to Sketch include the products in the Adobe suite, Photoshop, as well as some online tools such as InVision and also Figma. The reasons I chose Sketch are because it's easy to use. I found that it was really quick to pick up on how to use it. There wasn't a very steep learning curve for it. I also found that it does a great job of exporting to other formats that I could use. And also, there's just a wealth of knowledge out there about it because it's being so widely used. It was very easy to pick up not only how to use it, but things that you can add to it to extend your workflow. Integrating Sketch into the workplace was relatively easy. I work with designers who were familiar with Sketch. In fact, several of them had worked with Sketch and were eager at the idea of adopting it and making it a part of our workflow. So the onboarding was relatively easy. There were already folks who had experience working with applications like Sketch, but because of its pretty robust set of features and its very low learning curve, it was widely welcomed and received and fairly easy to get incorporated into what we were doing. What I would recommend for folks who are considering Sketch is that it's got a lot of great reasons to make it a part of your workflow and a part of your work setup. It's very easy to set up and get started with. The company that makes Sketch, they do a great job in terms of providing updates to Sketch, providing resources. There's a great site that is provided that has plugins and kind of add-ons that you can incorporate into Sketch to make it do even more than what it does out of the box, which is pretty impressive because what it does out of the box is pretty good. That plus the fact that I think there's such a growing and thriving community of Sketch users that are constantly introducing new techniques and new ways of using it for maximum effect. And the fact that it's relatively inexpensive compared to other applications out there on the market, I think makes all the more reason why Sketch is a worthwhile addition.